all Shelby, and performance is my business.
Shelby Mustangs, born from racing legends and American muscle dreams. Today, we're counting down the top 5 Shelby Mustangs of all time, the beasts that left tire marks on history. Starting our list, the 2011 GT500 Super Snake. With up to 800 horsepower and classic aggressive styling, this supercharged monster was built for speed and style, a true street-legal race car. At number 4, the legendary 1967 GT550, better known as Eleanor, made famous by the movie Gone in 60 Seconds. This icon isn't just cinematic, it's one of the most beloved classic Mustangs ever made. Coming in at number 3, the 2020 Shelby GT500, 760 horsepower, 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds, 3.5 seconds. This is Ford's most powerful street-legal car to date. Modern tech meets raw muscle. At number 2, the car that started it all, the 1965 Shelby GT500. Light, fast, and brutally loud, this was Carroll Shelby's vision of turning the Mustang into a true track weapon. And at number 1, the 1967 Shelby GT500. With a 428 cubic inch V8, timeless looks, and pure muscle DNA, this is the Mustang that defines the Shelby legacy. Raw, rare, and revered. From classic legends to modern monsters, Shelby Mustangs are the heart of American performance. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more muscle car content.